Hey Luke, I wanted to congratulate you on a pretty good looking drawing. But there's two or three things I want you to fix. The first thing I want you to do is to type the command LTS, okay, means line type scale, and set that to 0.5, okay. That'll give you a display of the hidden lines and center lines that look more standard. Then for your circles, uh, instead of these lines that you're showing here, let's use the power of CAD, one of the commands that's built in for creating center marks. And to find that, you go to Annotate, and you go here to the little fly out arrow, takes you to the manager for dimensions, and click on Modify, and click on Symbols and Arrows, and set it to be a line. Then the size of the plus sign in the middle of a circle should be 1/8 of an inch. So we set it to 0.0625. Whoops. And we set it to a line, so it looks like this. Okay, you click OK, and click Close, not the red X. Click Close. Then go up to your dimension flyout and pick the center mark button and click on the circle. Whoops, it's on the wrong layer, so easily fixed. Grab all of it, put it on the center layer. Okay, so it should look like that. So you need to do that for this hole and for this one. And here what you'll do is click this outer arc when you put the center mark in. So instead of this arrangement, you'll have something that looks like this. I did it again. So do everything I've shown you except for putting it on the hidden layer. And it'll look like that. Yeah, it's probably a little smaller dashes than what you're seeing on the book drawing. Then the next little tweak you need to do to make this drawing adhere to the American National Standards for drawings is to grab the end of this line and the center line and extend it out just a little bit. Okay, so center line should always go past the edge that is center lines for side views of a hole. Should always go just a little past. You might want to turn on ortho. So something like that. Okay, and make those changes and resubmit it. And I think, let's see, this is a hidden line. Oh, hidden lines take precedence over or are more important than center lines. So here in this area, let me change to an object line. If you project up, you see it's right over the center. So that center line was a little bit off to begin with. But we can't display our center line because the hidden line that's going to show here takes more importance, or is higher order, okay, for displaying. So we'll just trim this up, and then convert this to a hidden line. Now what you've got to do is, we still need to show that center, so let me change to the center layer, and this time we'll draw just a small dashed line about a 1/16 of an inch away, and about an eighth of an inch long, 1.2 roughly, somewhere in around there. Okay, just a little dash representing where that center is, but not drawing over the top of, whoops, not drawing over the top of the hidden line. So about a 16th and then about an eighth. So that'll get that. Stretch this out. Fix that. Fix that. Make this line touch. So grab it and stretch it over to that tangent point. See how we're doing up here. Okay, that looks good. Alright, that's all I got. Go ahead and make the changes and resubmit.